I'm merely calling for an acknowledgement of what we're watching.
That's the caldera of a volcano, like this Yellowstone thing. We thought it was just this crazy place with hot springs. Like, no, that's a super volcano that is a continent killer.
The Yellowstone National Park is a popular tourist destination. People love visiting this place for its spectacular hiking trails and beautiful views. However, deep within its tranquil expanse lies a slumbering beast, whose potential for cataclysmic destruction is always an imminent threat. As the cracks on the surface deepen and the molten rock beneath churns with unsettling intensity, humanity stands on the precipice of an awe-inspiring and potentially terrifying spectacle, the reawakening of Yellowstone's supervolcano. Stick around and watch as we take a look at why Yellowstone has the potential to annihilate entire civilizations. The fact that Yellowstone National Park is a ticking time bomb that could potentially unleash a cataclysm of unimaginable proportions upon the world is a chilling reality.
This restless Yellowstone caldera is truly living, breathing, and every once in a while it burps.
Yellowstone National Park, known for its breathtaking landscapes and geothermal wonders, has become the center of global concern. Experts and authorities are gripped by the growing body of evidence pointing towards the awakening of the park's dormant supervolcano. The implications of such an event have been deemed so severe that the park has been closed to visitors while scientists meticulously track and analyze the unfolding situation. The decision to temporarily close off parts of Yellowstone National Park, a cherished natural wonder, reflects the gravity of the situation. It signifies that the signs of volcanic activity need to be taken seriously. The building momentum of evidence has experts considering the very real possibility that the sleeping giant beneath the park's picturesque surface might be stirring from its deep sleep. But what are the signs that have prompted such a drastic action? Geologists have observed an unsettling increase in seismic activity within the region surrounded by the volcano.
Natural systems can throw us a lot of curveballs. A lot of things can happen that we're not really ready for.
The ground beneath Yellowstone has been starting to rumble with greater intensity, accompanied by a series of small earthquakes. These tremors could be early signs that the once dormant beast may be awakening and preparing to erupt. In addition to seismic activity, scientists have detected other worrisome indicators. The surface of the Grand Teton National Park, which lies directly next to Yellowstone National Park, has witnessed the emergence of a massive fissure, a deep crack. Although some sources say this is due to magma building up below the surface, it is more likely due to tectonic movement below. That being said, this recent activity, along with the growing activity in Yellowstone Park, has experts wondering if the volcano is starting to wake up. The closure of the park was more of a precautionary measure in response to the building evidence that the supervolcano might be on the cusp of a significant eruption. If the volcano is starting to wake up, then we will want to know about it well ahead of time so that we can avoid being caught in a similar cataclysmic eruption to the one that occurred approximately 640,000 years ago, known as the Huckleberry Ridge Eruption, which devastated the landscape, spreading ash and volcanic debris over vast areas and significantly impacting the global climate. Deep beneath the surface of Yellowstone National Park lies a colossal chamber, a reservoir of molten rock that holds the key to the park's volatile nature.
In two of the really large eruptions at Yellowstone, so much material comes out.
The subterranean cauldron, ominously filling up with an ever-increasing volume of magma, serves as a chilling reminder of the immense power lurking beneath the picturesque landscapes. It paints a vivid picture of a ticking time bomb, signaling that the supervolcano might be on the precipice of a catastrophic eruption. The accumulation of magma within Yellowstone's vast chambers is a cause for concern. As the molten rock steadily rises, the pressure within the volcano intensifies. This mounting pressure creates a volatile environment poised to eventually unleash a cataclysmic event with far-reaching consequences. Geologists and volcanologists closely monitor the temperature, composition, and movement of the molten rock as they strive to understand the intricate workings of Yellowstone's volcanic system.
It's even found in the Gulf of Mexico.
The influx of magma serves as a telltale sign that the supervolcano is actively preparing for a potentially devastating eruption. The molten rock, consisting of superheated fluids, dissolved gases, and solid rock fragments, exerts tremendous force on the surrounding rock formations. Over time, the mounting pressure builds, pushing against the Earth's crust and seeking a release point. When this pressure reaches a critical threshold, it can trigger a violent eruption, propelling ash, gases, and volcanic debris into the atmosphere. The implications of a supervolcano eruption are staggering. The explosive force unleashed from the molten rock reservoir would dwarf any conventional volcanic activity witnessed in recent history. It has the potential to release an unprecedented volume of ash and gases, plunging vast regions into darkness and disrupting global climate patterns. The unsettling reality is that the molten rock reservoir beneath Yellowstone National Park remains an enigma. While scientists have made remarkable strides in understanding the mechanics of volcanic systems, accurately predicting the precise timing and magnitude of a supervolcano eruption remains a formidable challenge. The complexity and magnitude of Yellowstone's volcanic activity defy simple explanations, leaving researchers with an ever-present sense of urgency to uncover the secrets held within the molten rock reservoir. As the reservoir continues to fill, the pressure builds, inching closer to a threshold that could bring devastation on an unparalleled scale. Some, including Joe Rogan and Tucker Carlson, have lent their voices to the discussion surrounding natural disasters and the recurring patterns they exhibit throughout human history.
I'm just noting what's super obvious.
Carlson's insights offer a perspective on the cyclical nature of these calamities, highlighting how humanity has been subjected to a relentless cycle of devastation, followed by the arduous task of rebuilding society from the ground up. Drawing on the knowledge of ancient cultures and civilizations, Carlson emphasizes the evidence of natural disasters wiping out entire populations and civilizations, necessitating a fresh start for the survivors. He posits that we are part of an ongoing cycle where periods of advancement and complexity are punctuated by catastrophic events that bring humanity back to a primitive existence. While Carlson acknowledges that our current era may be considered a version of this recurring cycle, he expresses optimism in our ability to rebound from such setbacks thanks to our technological advancements. Compared to civilizations of the past, we possess the knowledge and tools to hopefully mitigate the impact of natural disasters and rebuild more efficiently. However, Carlson's statements also serve as a sobering reminder of the potential devastation that awaits if we are caught off guard by an unstoppable force of nature. He raises concerns about the unpredictability of events like supervolcano eruptions or asteroid impacts, which have the power to disrupt and devastate life on an unprecedented scale. Reflecting on past cataclysmic events, Carlson alludes to the Toba volcano eruption in Indonesia, approximately 70,000 years ago, which is believed to have drastically reduced the human population to a mere few thousand individuals. Such events reshaped the course of history, redefining the trajectory of human civilization. While our present technological advancements might provide us with an advantage, the impact of a Yellowstone eruption would be profound. The eruption would decimate our civilization, leaving a limited number of survivors struggling to cope with the loss of essential infrastructure, including electricity, oil, and communication systems. Yellowstone's supervolcano, often overlooked in the past, has now been recognized as a continent killer. The realization that this seemingly idyllic national park harbors an immense volcanic threat sent shockwaves through the scientific communities worldwide. The recurrence of eruptions every 600,000 to 800,000 years demands attention and preparedness. Volcanic eruptions and their timelines remain unpredictable. The uncertainty surrounding the timing of such an event necessitates proactive measures to mitigate its effects. While technological advancements might enable us to develop solutions that counteract some threats, supervolcanoes and asteroid impacts remain challenges without easy solutions. Despite our technological achievements, our existence on Earth remains inherently unstable. Natural disasters, including volcanic eruptions and asteroid impacts, are among the countless threats humanity faces. Understanding and acknowledging these perils is crucial to ensuring our resilience in the face of an uncertain future. The mounting evidence of Yellowstone's reawakening demands our attention and preparedness. As scientists and experts continue to monitor the situation closely, the threat of catastrophic eruption serves as a sobering reminder of our vulnerability as a civilization. That's it for this video. We'd like to know your thoughts on the crisis surrounding Yellowstone. Do let us know in the comments below. And thanks for watching.